Are you struggling to find the right medical remediation company for your CIRS patients? At CIRSrestoration.com, we only provide medical-grade remediation. Our entire process is designed to ensure that your patients have a truly safe and mold-free home environment to support their healing. Our elite containment system meets world-class medical-grade standards, preventing cross-contamination and ensuring that the clean areas of the home remain uncontaminated. We don't just pass a clearance test, we set the gold standard for medical-grade remediation. But that's not all. CIRSrestoration.com doesn't stop when the remediation is finished. Our CIRS Post-Remediation Maintenance Program helps patients keep their homes mold-free long-term, giving them the best chance for continued success on their healing journey. Give us a call today at 866-USA-CIRS or visit CIRSrestoration.com to learn how we can support your patient's healing journey together.